height really changes the speed at which objects fall? Today I'm diving into this fascinating question with a simple experiment that you can try with your students. First, let's get a bit of science under our belts. According to physics, all objects should fall at the same rate, regardless of their mass, if we neglect air resistance. This is due to gravity accelerating all objects equally at about 9.8 meters per second squared. But does height change this dynamic? Let's find out. For this experiment, you'll need a few basic items, two objects of different weights, say a tennis ball and a rock, and a safe place to drop them from different heights. Safety first, of course. Make sure there are no students standing directly below where you're dropping the objects. Start with a low height, perhaps a meter or two. Hold the tennis ball and the rock at the same height and drop them simultaneously. Observe how they hit the ground. Did you notice something? They should hit the ground at almost the same time, illustrating that height at this level doesn't significantly change the falling speed. Next, increase the height. Try a balcony or a higher platform, making sure it's safe. Again, drop both objects simultaneously. This time, observe the effect of air resistance. You might notice the lighter object, like the tennis ball, may lag a bit. This is because as height increases, air resistance plays a more significant role, affecting lighter objects more. Now, let's take it to an even higher level. If you have access to a safe, tall building or a structure, repeat the process. You'll likely see the rock hitting the ground first, clearly showing the impact of air resistance on the tennis ball. So, what's the takeaway here? While gravity pulls all objects down with the same force, the height from which they fall and air resistance can alter their falling speeds. This experiment perfectly demonstrates how theoretical physics meets real-world conditions. I encourage you to try this with your students and let them see science in action. It's a great way to engage them and make the concepts of gravity and air resistance tangible. Thanks for tuning in and happy experimenting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational insights. Until next time, keep